knew they were taking part in a trial. Of the women who took the placebo, 40% of them had their hair and eyelashes fall out. What was it that made their hair and eyelashes fall out? What we've all been talking about this evening, beliefs. One of the most magical things our body does is it treats a sugar pill as if it's a powerful medicine. We have no idea of the phenomenal pharmacy we have here between our ears. We just don't know how to use it yet. A placebo is a sugar pill. Just looks like a tiny aspirin. Now, research shows every single medicine that comes onto the market, the World Health Organization dictates it has to be tested against a placebo just to prove that that medication is stronger than the placebo. Every medicine. So what happens if we turn that little aspirin into a silver ball? It's even more effective. Not if it's gold, because gold is antiquity, silver is the future. What happens if we turn that placebo into a capsule and half of it is red? We have even more success. What happens if we turn that placebo into an intravenous drip? We have even more success. And what happens if we do a placebo operation? Check it out on the internet. Don't take my word for it. Operations have been formed with veterans after the Vietnam War, where they were operated on their knees. Half of them had their knees cut and stitched back up. The other half had the actual operation. There was slightly more success rate for the people who didn't have the operation. And interestingly, I think it was 10 years later, they brought these people back in because they filmed the whole procedure. And of those people who had the placebo operation and went back and saw that video or that film 10 years later,